Hello, this is Kevin Hedgehog England here. I'm here for like a review video that I ordered. My grandma ordered me one of the train cards and it came in the mail last night. So since I got it, since I opened it up this morning, it's for one of my custom HO scale coaches I'm working on for the Frisco 5022. This is a Corrugated business card. I think I might say it right. So, see, here it is. It came with this. So this is something with other like passenger cars that it looks that I might get I might get later on in the future. It has Canadian Pacific, New York Central, Santa Fe, Union Pacific, Southern Pacific, Northern Pacific, and Baltimore, Baltimore, and oh, Ohio. No, it can't. It can't be Ohio. I think it might Orlando. No, I know. I do know, but I sometimes say something. Anyway, here it is. I'm gonna say I don't have that much to say about this. I was proud of it, how it looks, and it got stuff from the top, just like from the it got stuff from the top that I might try to put on when I get home. You know what? I'll try to do that when I get home. Like, just try to put stuff on it. It's, and the couplers are just like the same. Yeah, couplers are just the same as usually of HO scale type. So, and the number says 902. I should do research on what the number means, but let me get out the picture. And I can't believe I got this from Amazon before it was sold out. I got it upside down. Oops, silly me. Forget it. See? See what I'm saying? Same difference. So I got one of the coaches here right now. I'm gonna do this, and I'm gonna test this out when I get home. I'm reviewing this over my grandparents' house, and I try to post a video on my phone of me. Well, not of me, but of this car on the tracks with my Lionel train. Not Lionel train, but the HO scale train of Edward from my series. Like the clutch for the Northwest Adventures, that he is the Southern 7080. But anyway, that's the review. I'm gonna be so I was thinking about this is my first review, and later on in the future I will do more reviews soon. So thank you for watching, and always I'll see you in the next video. Doodle.